Did you know that some apps could be tracking your location, listening through your mic, or reading your messages without you even knowing? But don't worry, Android 14 Plus has a powerful tool called Permission Manager that puts you in control. Today, I'll show you how to easily manage app permissions and protect your privacy like a pro. Stick around, this is a must know for every Android user. To begin, as usual, as all the time, you scroll down here, you swipe down here, and you tap this icon, settings icon, and then you go to privacy and permission, security, or you can say security and privacy. So mine says security and privacy. You touch that and you will see different categories. You see different categories like camera, microphone, location, contact, SMS, and all. Tap any category to see which app has access. So you go, okay, you go to permission manager, right here, permission manager. This is where you see the permission manager with everything that can have access to, something like your camera or even your microphone. So if you touch this microphone, you will see apps that have access to your microphone. So some apps that have access to your microphone, so you can see which one. Review and adjust access. If an app has an unnecessary access, you tap on it, and if you tap on it, for example, if I tap on this, which one can I say, well, let me see, Google. If I tap on Google, then I will either select allow only while using the app, or I can choose to have it ask every time, or I can blatantly just say don't allow. So it's up to you. Okay, you remember that some apps may require access to function, so you choose wisely. Okay, so if you don't want the app to always have access, you can just select for the app to ask every time, like every time before you can function, it will pop up to ask you to give permission for you to use microphone. Okay, so you can check for unused permissions. So some phones keep permissions they no longer need, so you tap to see all permission, and you tap to see all permission and to review and revoke access. So if I tap here, see all permission, okay, so I can either remove, revoke their as this is the all the access. It's allowed to access my calendar, my microphone, all of this, and I can just select to revoke the access. If I want to revoke, I can just select them one by one. I go back, and then I go back to see all permission that this camera has, all the apps that have access to my camera. I can revoke them one by one. Okay, but the thing is, you can pause permission for unused app. So the thing is, Android 14 automatically pauses permission for apps you haven't used in a while. But if you don't have Android 14 phone that has Android 14, you can go into settings, then to apps, and then to unused apps, and there you can revoke, you can pause permission. But Android 14 automatically does that for you. So, and you can also enable alerts for sensitive permissions, okay, by going to settings, privacy, permission manager, and enable notification for apps requesting sensitive access. Okay, so that's it. Now you're in full control of your privacy. Okay, now that you've secured your data, help others do the same. Hit the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more Android tips and privacy Android tricks and privacy tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.